Hello friends, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to discuss about Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. And before that, let's understand what has happened in market in today's section. So here we can see that market has almost opened in a gap down position, and it actually favored the put side people who have purchased put options in these areas. And this particular red candle has given them confirmation that market is still going bearish today. But what happened after this particular red candle in a 5 minutes time frame, you can see after that the next 5 minutes candle we had a very huge green candle towards the upside. So whoever have confirmed that okay market is bearish, so many people must have entered here, or many people are still continuing. Maybe in the morning section just after the market has opened they were trying to exit the trade, but seeing this red candle they must have little bit paused for a bit. But market actually trapped these people. They went all the way upside, eating the stop loss of all these people who were there in the previous section of Nifty. So this is what happened in market. And again, as I told you in yesterday's video, I told that do not enter into any kind of a call option trading unless and until we find Nifty breaking this level, which is 17,800 level, because it is a very tricky area. So unless and until we find market, even in tomorrow's market, if you find market going above this line, then you can consider going for a call option. At least it has to wait. You have to wait at least for 1 hour and more in order to go for a call option if market is sustaining above this level. Else it is risky. Okay, and in tomorrow's trading, so now I'm just going to have a 1 day time frame points that I have marked here. See, I have just drawn two lines, which is the day's high and day's low. And this is the level which I have already marked in yesterday's video, which is 17,400 level, which is the first target. If you find market going down, this will be your first target. Actually, the first target has met. So what is going to happen is, if in case market is breaking either of these levels in tomorrow's section, if it is breaking the downside, you have to wait for a retracement. Then if you find market is giving you proper price action towards the downside, you can go for a put option here, and your first target will be 17,200 level. Okay, you can easily find market going down if it is crossing 17,400. Unless and until this particular line is not broken, you should be very careful, because there can be a very sharp uptrend any time of the day, maybe in the coming week. I'm not just talking about today or tomorrow. Today's section is already over, but still I'm talking about the coming days. Okay, so you have to be extra careful unless and until market goes beyond this particular line, that is 17,400 level. You can expect a sharp movement towards the upside anytime. So this is actually one of the things which happen in market. So let me go into a 5 minutes time frame so that I can show you. See, market in the morning, it almost reached to this level, which is 17,400, and then we had a very sharp momentum towards the upside. And after that, market, after eating the stop loss of all the people, they try to give a small momentum towards downside. Again, it's like a consolidation area. After that, it went all the way downside. It was in a bearish trend. And after that, it again touched the level of 70,400 only to raise very sharply towards the upside. I was actually expecting market to close around 17,780 something, but there was strong resistance level. So market after the section, after somewhere around 2 p.m., market boomed all the way up to 17,660 level. Okay, so this is where market has closed. So in tomorrow's market, either of these lines, so these are the two lines which indicate these lines, 17,709 and 17,407 are the two areas. If you find market breaking this level downside, as I told you, you can go for a put option. The first target is 17,200. Okay, and if you find market is going above this line, okay, this can be very tricky, but do not go for a long momentum trading. It can give you a definite margin of 70,800. So because this is the prime resistance area where market can react and come back. So if you find market is opening in a gap up, you make sure there is a proper support taking at this particular level, then you can go for a scalping trading, only for a scalping trading. Do not enter into a long momentum trading. Maximum 5 minutes. If you find market moving, book your profit and that's it. So this is the strategy that you can find in market in this particular zone. Okay, so do not wait with your trade. In case market drops, it can fall all the way downside and it will never go back to your profit levels. So this can happen in market. So beware of market, what it can do to you and your capital in tomorrow's section. Okay, so this is what I have to say in Nifty. 70,800 level. Even if you find market is crossing this level, do not enter into a call option until you have to wait. You have to be very patient in this level, because if market only sustains above this level, you will find strong momentum towards the upside. Because let me show you what is the reason. If I go into the OI chart, just refresh it for you, you can find that the highest resistance in present condition is at 18,000 level, and the highest support is at 17,000. This is a very wide range. So in between right now it is at 17,650. So if you find market where is the highest resistance, after that it is 17,800. So this is going to be an area where market can increase the level of resistance. The contracts, the number of contracts will add up, and it can act as a very strong resistance in tomorrow's market. So unless and until this level is broken, if market gives you a value above 17,800 and it has to sustain in this particular area, above this area at least for more than 1 hour, then you can find the resistance slowly relieving from these areas. The contracts will unwind, and you will find the resistance will be shifting to a different level, which is 18,000 level. And again, we can find market is giving more support in these areas, either at 17,500, you can see contract is building up, or 17,400, you can see contracts are building up in this condition. So this is why I am telling you, be very careful if you are planning for a call option in market tomorrow. Okay. So towards the downside, as I told you, it's very simple. If you find market is going below, you can go for a call option and keep trading your asset until you get your desired target. So that has been said. And one more thing I will just go, show you. I'm just going to 15 minutes time frame. And the reason, one more reason I will tell you why 70,800 is a very important level. I'm just going to draw a quick level from the last swing high to the swing low. Okay. So here you can see market has dropped all the way downside. Now it has gone for a retracement and it has hit almost 0.382 level, which is 17,700, and again it retraced from here, again it went down, and it's again going back to the same level. Okay, so 17,800 is also zero point 0.5 level. If market breaks this level, again we have another criteria to pass, which is 0.68 level. So either of these points, either of these 3 points, market can boom up and again come back. It is possible. So unless and until you find strong reasons to go into a call option above this level, you have to wait and be patient in the market. Towards the put side, if you find any resistance somewhere, in this area, you can go for a put option from here. If you find resistance at 17,800 level, again, it's a scalping trading. Enter it in your own risk with a limited SL, and do not risk your capital in tomorrow's market, because day after tomorrow there is going to be budget presentation, and hence there will be strong up and down moves. You can see what is the India which value, which is almost, it was almost 18 points, 18 percentage in the section, in the morning section I found 18 level. So this is going to be very tricky. So I hope I made myself very clear. So thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button on. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and also share it with as many people as you can. Also, if you want to have any kind of a questionnaire with me, you just put it in the comment box. I will try to reply to it at the earliest. Okay. And also, I need to remind you about the Telegram channel. I have updated the link for the Telegram channel, where I just try to update small hints about the market conditions in that particular channel. I hope everybody end up in very good profit in tomorrow's section, and thank you. Bye bye.